overall life of the heating system. Once attached to the cold water inlet of the water heater, a reservoir from the expanded water is maintained inside the tank. A closed-loop domestic water system may also include a backflow preventer.
Well, what's crazy is, shoot, I wasn't bad with mine. Mine was like at least 31 years. That's not bad. What do I need that for? You know what I mean?
Right? Yeah, right.
This side has
It worked
that.
before without it.
It's different on both sides. This has that little piece in there. I don't know if that's a plug or not. I can't tell. No, I don't think so. Yeah, it's odd. This has. But it.
Elsa, give me a flashlight.
Okay.